Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. So much for that flag we spoke about yesterday, right? It just shows you how strong the markets actually are. We had a break, but that was starting to look like it was a fake out, and all that's done is just kept us in a very strange consolidation. So yeah, let's just delete that. Just another reason why diagonals are not always your friend. Diagonal support and resistance is something that I look at, but I typically don't pay attention to. But anyway, what we have at the moment is we also have a break of fairly clear structure here. So this is a strong zone of support we have here, and I'm just going to put it like that. So if you look left, you can see lots of resistance, lots of support there, resistance, and now what is this going to be? Is this going to be resistance, or are we going to pop up? So we do have CPI data this afternoon. We've got German CPI data this morning, so some fairly strong bits of data coming out, which could be the catalyst. Moving averages are flat. We have crossed over, which in a bearish fashion, which we spoke about yesterday, and this is on the 8 hour. Oscillators are just flat lining at the moment. Nothing really there to help us. Looking at the 3 hour, big up, big down, tails the upside, tails the downside. Nothing really there. Only thing that has happened is we do have a crossover of the moving averages right now. So if I look left, this level doesn't change. It could be a little bit lower. So I'll give you these actual levels now when we get down to the 15-minute. Let's make sure that there's no micro levels we need to pay attention to. So pin bars galore at the bottom here. So clearly this area down here at 38.530 is a strong area of support. So shorts should only really come in once we drop below that. So when you look at this on the hour, you can see very much ranging. We're at the top of the range at the moment. So you'd want a pullback, or you want a break of this 38.888 area, breakthrough, come back, find support, and then you'd look for your opportunities. Otherwise, you're looking for price to come back to 38.800, 38.760. That's the zone you want to look at for an opportunity to buy. If that fails, then you're looking for a move to the downside. I'm not interested in shorting at all, so I'd only be looking for opportunities to buy. And whether it's bottom of range or off structure, it's irrelevant. So nice big juicy pin bar here at 38.760 area. So that would be my ideal space at the moment to look for opportunities to buy. I'm looking for a pullback into this zone, 38.760, 38.800, and if you look left, you're going to see any one of these tails would influence price. And I'm just going to put one pin bar in here, which is almost in the middle of that zone, and that lines up beautifully with the 150 EMA, so 38.780. So that's what I'm waiting for. The beauty about this setup would be move down here, wait for the pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bar structure. On the break of that structure, you place your entry, place your stop directly below it. So you're looking at probably a 20-30 point stop loss. So you can have a sizable position with very low risk. And for a move to the upside, depending on what's happening, if the CPI data comes out strong, you more than likely break the structure to the upside. Otherwise, it's just basically a 100-point gain for like 30-point risk. So I would look at 38.888 as my take profit area, and then there is a little bit of a take profit area a little bit higher, which would be at 38.920. And if you look left, that's the zone of resistance that I would expect. Okay, anyway, so that's kind of my view today. Don't think there's much else on offer. There may be a breakthrough to the upside or the downside. I mean, it just depends on what the data says. But then we will wait for the structure to build again for an opportunity to trade again. But for now, that's the trade that I see right now. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.